This is Kavya Chijjeri here with a SSLC Model Science question paper along with the answers for your upcoming exams, that is 2025-2026. So for each detailed question and answers, stay till the end. Again, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe and do comments also. So let's get started. So part B, chemistry. So this is the sixth main multiple choice questions. So we'll be having 3 questions of 1 mark, in total 3 marks. So easy questions are there. So the answer for this will be copper and zinc. Okay, so let's go to next question. Analyze the experiment expressed in the above figure. So in the given figure, okay. The molecular formula of the solution Y that gives a yellow color precipitate by reacting with Ki. So as you can see here, there is a Ki, that is potassium iodide. So there is a solution Y. This reacts with potassium iodide to give yellow precipitate. So as you can see here, the below equation, that is lead nitrate reacts with Ki to form yellow precipitate, that is lead iodide. Means here the Y solution will be lead nitrate. Okay, so we have got the answer for this. Let's see next. And the other product that forms here respectively are, so we need to find what is the Y solution and what is the other product that is formed. So once these two reacts, they form lead iodide and 2KNO3, that is potassium nitrate. Understood? So here the other product is KNO3. So the answer for this will be option A, means lead nitrate and KNO3. Here Y is lead nitrate, which is reacting with the potassium iodide to give yellow precipitate. Again, the another byproduct will be KNO3. Understood, children? So let's go to next question. Okay. So 15th question. A property of a carbon that is responsible for giving rise to a large molecule is. So this carbon has so many properties, so that is why it is called as, it has a versatile nature. Okay, so let's see which property of this carbon gives rise to a large molecules. So the answer for this will be catenation. Okay, catenation is nothing but a carbon, it is a property of a carbon where the carbon forms bond with the other carbon atoms. So one carbon atom forms the bond with the other carbon atom. So this gives rise to the large number of molecules, large number of bonds. So this is the exact property. Got it, children? So let's go to next question. 16th question, that is, how do you detect a base using a blue litmus paper? So the answer for this will be, dip the blue litmus paper into a given solution. If the color of the litmus paper, color of the blue litmus paper does not change, then the solution is base itself. If the color of the blue litmus turns to red, means the solution is acidic, as you all know. So the question is, how do you detect a base? Means if we dip a blue litmus paper, it remains the same. Hence the solution is base. Okay. So 17th question, what are the applications of the thermite reaction? Thermite reaction, here it refers the release in the heat energy. Okay. So let's see what are the applications. Used for welding railways, as you can see here, they are welding the railway tracks and all, and broken parts of the machine. So you'll be seeing in the some of the places there will be welding metals, welding iron. Okay. So here the thermite reaction is used. So this is one application. Used in extraction of metals from their oxides. So as you can see here, extraction of metals like iron, chromium and manganese. So here the thermite reaction is used. Used in heavy industrial repairs. So this thermite reaction is used in heavy industrial repairs. So produces very high temperature heat, means thermite reaction is nothing but it produces heat only. So there are number of applications for this. So let's go to the next question.